What's up, everybody? Want to give you a quick update on Bitcoin and Solana. So, what I see on Bitcoin happening, and we are in the daily time frame right now, is we are still in a confirmed downtrend. So, we're making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, we had this bear flag pattern play out to the downside. Played out to the measured move. So, as you can see, we are still technically in a bear flag pattern again. Now, it seems to be a slightly bigger one, and we still are, I would say, micro bullish. We are still in this uptrend and continuing to move higher. However, I would use caution on longing the market at this point. If you aren't already in from this low or this low, I would urge you to wait for any pullbacks to deep to your 786 local or 618 golden pocket fib retracement. Okay, so here's the other thing. We're coming up to the 200 daily simple moving average. Okay, price likes to reject from these averages on the first move to them. Okay, so you have that. You have major resistance up here at the $83,000 to $84,000 level. Okay, we had previous support here, and it is now currently resistance. However, if you pull your fib from the last swing high to the swing low, you are technically coming up to the golden pocket. Now, Bitcoin especially likes to retrace to the golden pocket. Okay. Now, my entry level for short positions on a swing is going to be here at about the $86,000 level. So I'll tell you why. We have major support right here, and we also have a CME gap. So I do believe we are going to at least hit the 86, if not 88 to $90,000 level. Okay. I wouldn't be surprised. Bitcoin, if it gets enough volume from the whales, it absolutely can retrace there, okay? Now, typically we have bear market rallies, okay? Now, my assumption has been that this bear market rally is not going to start until we come lower first. But that doesn't mean it can't happen, okay? Technically, bear market rallies usually in Bitcoin run up about 45 to 48%, somewhere around that area to the 0.50 retracement from the previous high, okay? However, I don't think this is that bear market rally we're looking for. So on the safe side, you're looking for swing shorts in this area, okay? On the cautious side for longs, be very careful because we do have bearish divergences playing out on the daily and on the 4-hour, okay? Now, we have conflicting signals. If you use Market Cipher, money flow is still thick in the green, okay? Typically, that means we have momentum upward, okay, until money flow crosses into the zero line. So we're still bullish with bearish signals starting to flash on the bigger time frames, okay, guys? So I urge you to be cautious on the longs, wait for pullbacks, and yeah, just trade safe. So let's go over to Solana. Okay, so we got Solana over here on the 4-hour time frame, and we are obviously overextended. We broke through our last high, okay? Broke through our last high. Now, we are currently at resistance right now, okay? So I would wait for a pullback to get on any longs, okay? Now, typically Solana likes to pull back all the way to the 786, really far back. You also have a CME gap here now, okay, because this wick, okay? So I'm looking for swing longs in this area, the 618 to 786 down between 88.95 to about 90.32, okay? In this area, that's where I'm looking for longs. I would wait. The short entry was up at this resistance, so you might have missed it, but I would still lean more bullish because altcoins have some room to go. If we go here on the daily time frame, we're very beat down. So let's go here. Let's pull this fib from swing high to swing low. Your next retracement level is about the 98 to I'd say even $100 level. Okay, so I'm looking to getting along, take profit around the $99 to $100 level, okay? Your next retracement after that is 107 to 117, and then your 200 simple moving average is at about 115, okay? And then you got your golden pocket here. So take profit here and somewhere in here, maybe at the $100 level to be safe, to get, de-risk. But other than that, guys, it's looking more bullish. We got money flow in the positive on Solana, so that's good on the daily. And then on the 4-hour, we do have some bearish divergences right here. So, like I said, I would wait for a pullback before you enter, okay? Guys, trade safe, trade smart. Check out the Discord. Love to have you, Lions Den, teaching you guys how to trade safe, teaching you guys how to use less risk, and how to navigate the markets. Anyways, guys, have a great weekend. Happy Mother's Day, and I hope to see you soon.